welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm in a good mood today. It is gorgeous outside. I have this lovely view. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell, and you will never miss a video from me that way. Let's get into this video. Now, this is a slightly controversial topic in the Loc community apparently, but I wanted to try this product out for myself on Locs because I found it really hard to determine if it was a good product or not from watching videos of other people. Some people liked it, some people liked it at the beginning but then realized they didn't like it after a couple of uses. Some people absolutely hated it. Some people say that it's not a good product. Some people say that it is a good product. So I just had to try it out for myself. I found that when I double wash with Suave Clarifying, it does dry out my locks. Now that does seem kind of obvious, but I ran out of my usual second shampoo, which is the Neutrogena Clarifying Shine, the one that's orange. But I will not be repurchasing it just because it did not blow me away. I'd rather get a product that has a bit more natural ingredients. I mean, at heart, I really want to be a minimalist when it comes to hair products. I would love to eventually become a minimalist. I think trying out this product is a step in the right direction. So let's just get into my full review of Dr. Bronner's soap on Locs. The one that I got is the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. They're all Castile soap, but it's the 18-in-1 baby unscented Pure Castile soap. I'm the type of person that does not like scents in my lotion anymore. I actually had an allergic reaction to using a soap, St. Ives soap that was really over scented. So as I get older, I'm just like, what's the point of using all of these scents in a body wash? Like, it doesn't really make sense to me to put my body through that just to smell a little bit better for a little bit longer. But even just the scent itself just bothers my nose. I'd rather use an unscented soap and then wear a really nice perfume. So that's just my vibe right now. And as you can see, can you tell? I have this much left. So I think that gives you a little bit of an indication of how much I like it. At first, I was using this, I bought this just to use it for my body. I love this as a body wash. If you're someone who likes unscented soaps, try this out. I can't even tell you how well this thing cleans. Like, it gets dirt off your body that you didn't even know was there, and yet it leaves your skin soft. I don't know what kind of magic this is, but I love the fact that it is such a natural, organic type of product. There aren't crazy chemicals, it's unscented, but it cleans so well, and it's very, very liquidy. So you do have to be careful with it when because you don't want to just dump all of it out. A little goes a very long way. So I've been using this since back in the winter. It's been months. It's been months that I've had this, and the first couple times I used a little bit too much because I didn't realize that I don't need that much for a lather, but this cleans your body so well. Like, your body will be squeaky clean after. I love this as a body wash. I can't see myself getting any other body wash because it's so good, and it's available at my local grocery store at Loblaws, so that's where I got it. Now, let's get into how it was for my hair. From what I was seeing online, a lot of people complained that it felt like your hair was like oily. It looked like there was a film over your locks after you wash it out. Now, people say, like people like Yanni, the lochologist, she said that's because it's pulling out the oil and the buildup from inside of your locks and bringing it to the surface. I don't know how true that is. It could be true, it could not be true. It could just not work for some hair types. It could work for other hair types. But for Microlocs, for small locks, I don't see anything wrong with this product. So let me get into the wash. I used a tiny bit, like probably a quarter. And when I put it on my hair, it felt like I was putting conditioner on my hair. As soon as the soap touched my hair, it softened my hair. And my hair was dirty and dry. So I was a little bit concerned because I'm not fully locked. I didn't want this product to be so softening that it would cause a lot of slippage or unraveling or whatever the case is. But I had a little bit of faith in the product just because it's so natural, and that's my jam as I get older. I love things that don't have a lot of chemicals. Before I forget, I always check new products on the app called Think Dirty. It gives you like a rating of how clean and how dirty the product is. The more chemicals and things that, you know, have like carcinogens or things that are not healthy for you, the worse the rating will be, obviously. So I downloaded that app. It's called Think Dirty, and I plugged this in. It has a near perfect rating. I think it has like a 2, and it's in the green zone. So this is considered a very clean product, and that makes me so happy. So I go in with my lather, and my hair just feels really, really soft. But it's also developing a lather so quickly. So I was confused. I'm like, is this like doing conditioning situation, or is this just deep cleaning? So I keep lathering, and it's almost like I feel the oils that are in my hair coming out. So I kind of see some truth to what other people say about how the soap is bringing the oils out, because my hair was very oily. But with other shampoos, you don't get that effect, right? So I kept lathering. The more I lathered, the more amazing my hair felt. It felt buttery soft. So I did my whole lather situation, I rinsed it out, and then I went in for my second shampoo. I always double shampoo. My first Loc Set, I did not do that, and it was not healthy for my hair. I always double shampoo now. So double shampoo, it lathers instantly, faster than the one before, because obviously there's less dirt and oil in my hair. Instant lather. I was so shocked, but I should have known, because it lathers really, really quickly on your body as well. So I keep going, and when I rinse the soap out, my hair felt delicious. That's the only way I can describe it. My hair felt so good, and it felt clean at the same time. You know what it reminds me of? When I was a loose natural for a year, most recent, like after I cut off my first set of locks, I was loose natural for about a year, and I tried a bunch of products, and the one that stood out to me the most in terms of shampoo was the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. This reminds me of that, because something with that shampoo, it is clarifying, but it's also moisturizing at the same time. It's stripping buildup, but it's also putting in enough moisture and hydration back. That is exactly what Dr. BRONNERS reminds me of. If you've used Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo, then you know what I'm talking about. It cleans your hair so well, but somehow it doesn't strip too many oils, and it moisturizes your hair. So that's what it reminds me of, and I think when my locks mature, that's a shampoo that I could see myself buying again, because I really like that shampoo. So anyways, I digress. Why is this playing? I swear these kids know so much about technology because they're born into it. Like, how did he know to just play it on the TV from my iPad? Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, so this shampoo reminds me of that. So you get the kind of situation I'm explaining. And then on top of it, when I got out of the shower and I took a look at my scalp, it was so clean. So clean. And I was actually in shock. And the fact that my hair looks so soft and shiny, I was just like, why am I just learning about this product now? Everyone is like screaming, suave clarifying, suave clarifying. But Dr. BRONNERS Castile soap? I was shook. Now, I'm 9 months locked. I don't know how this product is going to work for my hair when I'm fully mature. Like, say when I'm like 18 months locked, when I'm a year and a half or 2 years. I don't know exactly how this product is going to work, but just the fact that it cleans so well and it doesn't strip your hair is beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. I personally, so I've used this 3 times. I didn't want to just film a video after using it once. I've used this 3 times now, and each time my hair just feels and looks amazing. And it's so soft. And using the Suave Clarifying, my hair just, like, it would just feel really stripped. But this is amazing. Now, I am going to use Suave Clarifying still because I don't like to waste products. So for this wash, I use a little bit of the Suave Clarifying first, and then I finish off my first shampoo with the Castile soap, and then I did my second wash only with the Castile soap. So I'm still incorporating it into my wash routine, but I'm not using it exclusively, and I'm definitely not double shampooing with only the clarifying because my hair just doesn't like it as much anymore as it matures and gets longer. So please comment down below your experience with Dr. Bronner's. If you have experience with it, I did a little poll on my Instagram, and 60% said they loved it, 40% said they didn't like it. That's pretty close. So tell me your experience down below with Dr. Bronner's. It doesn't have to be this particular line. I know that there's peppermint line. I think there's a lavender. For me right now, unscented is my favorite because I have essential oils that I can drop into it if I want to. I have peppermint essential oil, so I don't feel the need to get one that has peppermint in it. I might try it out and do a little review on another one if I really am curious about it, but for right now I'm going to be repurchasing the baby unscented one because it's all I use on my skin now, and for the foreseeable future it's all I'm going to be using on, well, not all, but it's the main thing I'm going to be using on my hair. So I used it today, and honestly my hair just feels amazing. I put a little bit of oil on my scalp only, but my locks just feel soft and really clean. It's almost like I put in conditioner. It has that effect where it's like it's just soft, and I'm like, what? Just from this soap, this liquid soap, but it's so good. Now, I don't know if my opinions are going to change, like I said, when my locks mature a bit more, but as of right now, it's a thumbs up for me for Dr. Bronner's. And I love the fact that it lasts so long. I love the fact that a little bit goes a long way. There are just so many pros to it, and I personally can't relate to the people who don't like it, but there are different hair textures. There are thicker locks. Most of the time people with thicker locks didn't like it. Also, I didn't see too many reviews on people who have just started their lock journey and are using it. It was mainly from people who already have mature locks and are using products in their locks. That's another thing I noticed. They were already using products in their locks, and that's going to cause buildup. So this product does work really hard to clean your hair. So I can see that whole explanation of it bringing dirt and build up from inside of your locks to the surface, because it's so unassuming, but it's so powerful. And I can see how it could just bring that all that gunk up to the surface, because I could feel it kind of bringing the oils out of my hair and cleaning my hair so well. It reminds me of kind of the effects that an ACV rinse has. When you put it in your hair, you can feel the oils on the surface of your locks. I don't know if you guys have paid attention to that, but hopefully you get what I'm saying here. I honestly don't have anything negative to say about this product. As you can see, I'm almost done. I need to re-up soon. It's a thumbs up for me, and I will continue to use it. If things change and it doesn't mesh well with my hair at some point in the future, I will be letting you know. But if you have hair that's similar to mine, if you just started a lock journey, if your locks are starting to mature and your locks feel dry, try this soap out and tell me how it goes and how your locks react to it, because I'm really curious about people with similar hair types to mine and lengths and all that stuff, trying this out to see if it works. I know that some people with smaller locks already use this, so if you're one of those people, comment down below. And which line do you use? I like the unscented. Do you like a scent? That is it for this video. I was just so excited to film this because I don't know, like, as much as I say I want to be a minimalist when it comes to products, and deep down I really do, I also am happy that my hair is maturing, because that means that I can try new products, and I honestly like to try new products. So yeah. New products that are healthy for my hair and have good ingredients. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed, that you found it helpful, that you learned something from it, and yeah, I will be seeing you in my next one. Bye!